Hi guys, this is day number 267 of my 365 livestream challenge, and we keep going with February livestream series where I talk about one case study of successful ERP implementation within existing businesses. One day I'm showing our own company cases, client cases, other day some market leader cases, huge companies or smaller companies but famous companies. And today I'm going to show you not our own case, the case from the industry. I'm going to talk about Walmart, and at the end of every case study showcase like this, I'm having one or two insights after this project so that you can learn and then avoid the problems or achieve the improve your odds for success with new ERP implementation or business process automation. So today I'm talking about Walmart. They have more than 6,000 stores. I'm pretty sure you know what is Walmart. It's a huge retailer worldwide, and these guys have more than 6,000, I guess, or more, not 6,000. It's I guess in millions of people. The employee size, the company size. Let me check this out. They have 2 million employees and over 6,000 stores worldwide and over $350 billion revenue annual basis. So a lot of years ago, let me check what the numbers. I'm very bad with numbers. I guess it was in 2006 or so. They started migration from their custom-built ERP software to SAP SAP, and the project took more than 4 years, even though it was planned for 4 years, and they decided to make it step by step, plan the project. So at the end they achieved the goal. It was much longer, much more expensive. It was hundreds of millions of dollars. It's a combination of different stores, different types of businesses. At the end it's a huge conglomerate, so it was not easy to run. They wanted to have a cutting edge in the technology. They wanted to add some machine learning to analyze their clients, consumers a bit better. So that's why that project was initiated. It's any like, as already mentioned in the previous live streams, any ERP, any automation is a big project for mid-sized or moreover for the huge size businesses. So it was not an easy run, but it was success at the end. So the main thing that I wanted to share from after this case, they did it step by step. They picked a specific type of businesses they had. First of all, it was like huge grocery shops. They integrate part of the functionality there, automation, and they just move on to the next one, warehouses and more and more. So the thing that we are doing in our agency, and then we learned the hard way, is that sometimes for smaller projects it's better to do the automate everything at once, all the departments, all the processes, and then deploy to the production. This way we don't have any small wins in the middle. We just work until it's all done, and they'll deploy it in one run, and then switch all the employees to the new system. But for the extra bigger projects that are more than 1-2 years, they might be 5 years of the automation ERP implementation, we have a different step-by-step deployment project approach. Here we have old system, all software custom build, their own, or maybe some licensed software they purchased and customized to fit their own needs, and then we develop a new one, but not whole software at first, but just develop small part of the, for example, we pick the main delivery of manufacturing department first and just automate that department. What we do then, we develop a temporary bridge which we will use only for the period until full system, so new software is developed and migrated to, and then we don't need that bridge afterwards. But we need that bridge now to connect all the departments that are not migrated yet with the one new department that we just migrated, so that all the changes in the new department, in the new software, new system will be visible to the old software and vice versa. We call it temporary bridge. And once we migrate one more department to new software, we increase that bridge with extra functionality to synchronize both databases. Again, two departments from this new software now will communicate with the left departments from all software. And the thing is that in this way, both ways have their pros and cons. when we wait for the whole system to be developed to the new ERP software, we wait longer without any visible results. So it's a bit more frustrating to wait and pay invoices to your supplier, software developers, without seeing actual results in the production. So it's a bit mind game. But at the end, it's a bit cheaper. You don't have to develop that temporary bridge that will be burned right after the whole project is done. On the other side, when you're doing step-by-step deployments, you have to spend more money on because of that temporary bridge that is going to be developed for the synchronizations of the systems. But you will start seeing first results in production within your first department that is going to be migrated to new software. So you'll see, you will become more confident whether if your agency, your supplier, your vendor, okay, they're capable. We deployed first department to new software. It all works. Now I can relax. I can trust them more. So it will kind of relieve that tension from your shoulder and your agent's supplier shoulder. That's why this step-by-step deployment is a bit better for a bit bigger projects that are longer than 1 year in implementation. And we have a lot of this project like that. So this process works a lot. And the thing is that you will pay 20-30% more at the end because you have to develop this temporary bridge that you will not use at the end. It usually pays off. It unlocks that extra tension and the project goes much easier than it will go without that step-by-step deployment approach. So overall it becomes more expensive, but you have first quicker release to production. You have regular every 2-3 months you have to release something. You deploy new departments. So that's why I would recommend for any project automation projects that are longer than 1 year to use this step-by-step deployments process. That's something I wanted to share with you. That's very important insight that we revealed a couple of years ago within our agency. If you have any question regarding this case study, this insight, please comment below this live stream. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow for the next case study, and